Hello everyone, my name is Mharz, and in today's video, we are going to make a cake from these scraps. This came from another cake I made for someone for their anniversary. I had to carve it so there were a lot of offcuts. And while I can eat it on its own, I decided to make another cake with it. It's not gonna be enough for a big cake, so I'm thinking of just making a 2-layer 4-inch round cake for this. In order to do this, I am gonna use this cookie cutter I bought. Let's align these offcuts into a nice layer. Then we'll cut this to the right size and shape using the cookie cutter. Set this aside and we're gonna do another one for the second layer. Alright, here are the cake layers. Now to put them on top of each other. I'll be using this leftover frosting I've made for another cake as a filling. This is like a jigsaw puzzle. It's actually quite challenging to keep them in shape because they're made with little pieces, but I think I did a good job. Okay, let's cover this with frosting. I have to admit the green frosting looks kinda odd, but this cake is purely recycled and that includes the frosting, so yeah. For the design, I decided to just cover it with crushed graham crackers. I think graham crackers will fit just fine with the cake in terms of taste. Lastly, let's just pipe some more frosting around the top and bottom of the cake and we are done. I have to say this actually looks quite nice. I don't think anyone would notice that this is a recycled cake unless you tell them. The inside looks pretty good as well. I absolutely don't mind being served this on my birthday.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think it's a good way to recycle cake offcuts without making it like a cake pop or something. I still have a lot of leftover cake, so maybe we'll turn it into something else, but that will be for another video. So if you want to see more videos from me, be sure to smash the subscribe button and ring that G-dang bell. If you have more ideas on how to recycle cake offcuts, let me know in the comments down below. Any kind of engagement will help this channel a lot. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
And since you reached the end, how about checking some of my other videos over there by the right of your screen? I'm pretty proud of these videos even though it's not professionally made, so give it a shot! Go on!